to our channel. As you can see, I'm so excited. I don't know, guys, like I don't know how to say it, but this is a dream come true. Oh my god, babe, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. I won't tell you right now, but I'm on my way to go do my makeup. Guys, this week is our anniversary week. It's my birthday, that is on the 16th, and also our anniversary on the 16th as well. So my babe has planned something today, but first I want to go do my makeup. He just told me get ready, and I didn't know he's told me like right now, and I'm like no, mimi siendi pahali nikiwa nimeparara. So let's go do my makeup, then I'll catch you later.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Naivasha's presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Forget what?
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and
Guys, I'm done doing my makeup and I'm so late. So I need to go pick up my babe, and he'll take over the wheel cause no, I shouldn't be driving. Look at me, guys. So let's go home.
with this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Got my babe. Hey.
Hello.
How you doing?
Awesome as always.
I'm so anxious.
Why?
Okay, I'm anxious and excited at the same time. I just can't believe it. And I haven't told them what we're doing or where you're taking me. Cause should I tell them or should we just get there and they're surprised?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Okay. Guys, this is major for me. I don't know about you guys, but it's very major for me, and I don't know. Okay, Sijalod. I think I'll believe it when I see it. Okay?
Yep.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
Guys, we just got here. By now you already know where we are. We're on airport. We had missed this turn, but there's this cop who helped it. Who?
Helped us.
Wow. My tongue is heavy. Guys, I told you I'm anxious, guys. But yeah. Hey.
Where are you?
Wilson Airport.
What's the name of the offices?
Peniel
Yeah.
Air.
Yeah. Are
Okay,
you
should I
ready?
tell them what we're doing?
Yes, you can.
We've come for a chopper ride, guys. A chopper ride, a whole chopper ride. I don't know if you know that this week is our anniversary. Anniversary week, my birthday week. And this is where it's starting.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Are you
at
excited?
Wilson with a chopper ride. Guys, God of flights, God of choppers has
Tell us about
located
your
me.
outfit of the day.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you
Hey you. Hey you.
Hi.
You doing?
Oh, the sound.
felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances.
Hello.
Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want. Gorgeously, what do you got? So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be.
Hi guys, welcome back to Earth because we were in cloud 9. What? Yo,
How was it for you?
do you know, funny enough, I still have that excitement.
Right?
Okay, I just feel jittery. I don't know how to explain it. Cause I'm like, guys, I just had a chopper ride. Is God trying to communicate something here? Cause literally it's Jan, and you know what happens in Jan.
Yes.
But I just want blessings this year. So do you want to explain? Okay, how was the chopper ride for you?
It was the best.
Uh-huh.
It was the best.
Right?
Okay, yes. It was very fun. It actually was longer than I anticipated. We were just going, and then we just like saw the whole of Nairobi.
Ngong,
yeah,
Karen.
Karen. And we actually saw some beautiful mansions
Oh my
as
god,
well. Yes, we
guys!
saw basically all the malls. We saw the mall as well,
Waterfront
the waterfront mall.
and the hub.
Yes, as well from like.
I just
above.
feel like,
Yeah, it's just Nairobi is very.
don't
beautiful
worry,
from
we are
up
going
there.
to that rich neighborhood. God is trying to
Right?
communicate something.
Right?
They're so beautiful. Like the houses in Karen are so beautiful. I don't even know what to say. I'm wondering why am I even recording, because I just feel like I'm repeating myself over and over again. But guys, if you want to organize like chopper rides, do you want to give that information? Jetman
Yes.
Global.
Jetman Global, they do I think that was the first one.
That was the
and
first
they said
one.
they're going to like plan a lot more, so it's something definitely worth looking into.
I feel like we're the first
And
clan.
Yeah, actually
We are the
we
first
are the
clans
first
for
people
Jetman
to,
Global, guys.
yes, we actually are one of the first clients to go for that trip.
Yes.
So they said they're going to be planning a lot more. I'm definitely tuned to just like.
I don't
having a
even,
lot
okay,
more.
if you know Caliph Cairo, you definitely, it's the newest company. Like he just opened a new company, which is Jetman Global. So Ian just talked to him and
Actually,
they organized. You reached?
No, it was just Twitter.
Who reached out?
No, he posted and I just agreed and accepted and paid, and yeah, we went.
Yeah, thank you. Happy anniversary.
Yes.
Happy anniversary to us. So like this is the best anniversary. I think, okay, I believe that there are more to come, but this is the best yet. Honestly,
You
I
actually
never
paid
thought
for it in midnight.
today.
No, like on Saturday.
I didn't know. You know, this guy just told me today. I woke up, just dressed up. Okay, we were going to church, but we got late for that. That's not a good thing. So then he told me, are you sure you want to wear that? Because wherever we are going, I was like, So I went and changed my outfit, and then he was like, you look better. Then I went to do my makeup, and here we are.
Right?
I've already,
Did you have fun?
in the wildest dreams, I know this guy, when it comes to surprises, he never plays small, but I never thought you'd plan for something like this. I clearly underestimate you so much, and that should stop from today, right? Oh my god, the chopper ride was so good. So if you want like to organize like a chopper ride, just text Jetman Global. They'll be there to sort you out.
Yeah, they actually
It was
gave
so
very
smooth.
good communication.
And the service.
Yeah, and the service was great.
The
as well.
pilot was so friendly. He gets to explain to you wherever you are.
Yeah,
and
show us the roads, show us the different buildings.
Exactly.
Yeah, like from up, the Nairobi looks totally different.
And he tries to keep you calm in case you're scared.
Yes.
Oh my god, I just need to go because I don't know. I just need to relax a bit because I feel like I'm still anxious. I don't know, man. I think today my teeth will just be out like this. Like this. Okay, guys, Jetman Global, is the plug. So I'll see you still the birthday week, still the anniversary week. There's a lot to do, and I'll still see you soon. Bye.
I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by yourself on a Saturday night. You were the guy